With the total number of COVID-19 cases in the state increasing to 740, with 425 active cases, 295 recovery, and 21 deaths since the outbreak of the pandemic in the second wave, the Permanent Secretary is expressing concern at the rate of community spread and rising numbers of infected persons in the states.
We had 294 persons tested for COVID-19. Out of these 294, we had 50 of them turning out to be positive. Thus, we had 50 positive cases of COVID-19, adding to what we have had in the state in the past few months. Also, in our case management, we had some 12 persons recovering from our follow-up and care, and those persons have been discharged from the active cases we are seeing. And to God be the glory, we did not lose anybody.
Apart from appealing to citizens to observe and follow the designed protocol already being implemented by the state government, he is calling on those citizens to present themselves for early tests and avoid giving false details to health personnel.
Many persons were so scared that they were using false name and false phone numbers. Somebody could come and say, "I'm John," and he gives you the phone number of Michael. And so when you are reporting and you call the number to get back to the person will tell you, "I wasn't the one, I wasn't even there at all." So we saw that, and we are still seeing that even as we run. So what we have put in place to reduce that happening is that when we are taking samples from you, we ask you for your phone number. If you say you don't have a phone, you will give us a phone number of somebody who you know, and right there and then we'll call the person to authenticate that number.
The state is also interfacing with heads of schools to do all it takes for schools to resume on February 1st.
With the training, we include virtual training for the teachers. We are going to have train the trainers, which will be done at the state level. Following this, we will now decentralize the training to the local government levels, and thereafter we ensure that the people we have trained at the local government level will go back to the schools to cascade the trainings to the school authorities as the teachers and other operatives in the school.
Since the outbreak of COVID-19 in the state, 3,436 confirmed cases have been reported, while recovery stands at 2,878. The death toll is 133. In Benin, Elizabeth Omako, NTA News.